Spectrum Glass Solutions. EVA Glass Lamination Furnace.
EVA glass lamination. Glass lamination process is achieved in an appropriate temperature and vacuum conditions, wherein two or more glasses and laminating materials film such as EVA membrane or other membrane is used. During this process, the EVA film is sandwiched between two glasses and put into the sealed silica bags and sent into the furnace. Then the silica bags are vacuum suctioned before heating in a constant temperature, ramps up from 0 to 130 degrees for a certain time. Then a glass is cooled. The vacuum will remain until the end of the process.